wax.
There are people that do that, yes, but I just
love this stuff, huh?
Yeah, I like to mess with it.
It's good.
Now, when
it's awesome, and you chew the wax just like gum.
You're going to need to take
very,
all
very
this
light.
and wash it good.
Okay.
Because see, look at all the honey that's in here.
Yeah, it's.
Oh, the whole bottom of it's like filled with
This thing will
honey.
get full of ants, huh?
It will, but they're cleaning up too. They're going to be cleaning up the honey.
Now, what would be the best maybe solution? Just soap and water?
Yeah.
Just some Dawn
Not
or
even
something?
soap.
Not even soap. So just water.
Just water, huh?
Warm water, let it melt away.
Well, it washes pretty well.
Okay.
Because honey. You ready for another piece?
I can't. I'm doing the Adkins thing.
You're still working on the first one, okay?
I'll go ahead and take hers.
You ruined my
Okay,
diet.
let me.
You get a bee with it, extra protein.
Yummy. You're awesome.
That's a cute little hive.
Yeah.
I didn't know they came that little.
Oh, these little hives in here?
Yeah.
So there's 10 of
That's
them
awesome.
per box usually.
Right, but I've only seen the ones on the side of the road that are like taller and bigger.
Yeah, those are for pollination, and those are full hives. This is just a beginner hive, so to speak.
Well, good for traveling and.
Are they? I don't know what I thought that Antioch doesn't allow residential beehives.
They are in the process as of 2 weeks ago of rewriting that to allow.
To allow it
In residential areas, yes.
Do you need a permit?
I think you still have to register with the city. I don't believe it's a done deal yet.
And then
Think that'll fit in there?
Well, I'm sure
Because you have these tabs that will make it want to hang.
I mean, would it be problematic to have a small hive in a backyard? Because I have a garden and I wouldn't mind doing it, but I just don't want to get stung.
Well, I had a girlfriend who lived in Antioch, and she had one in her backyard until they moved to South Dakota. And her neighbors knew it, but it was isolated enough that nothing was heard.
Oh, that does fit.
No, but the tabs on the ends make it swing.
What's that?
Yeah, they're not going to stink, right?
I sure hope not.
You want a piece of comb?
Yeah,
With
please.
honey in it? Alrighty, let me find one.
This is so wonderful.
It looks like it. Now, is this
There you go.
is this for the yard?
That's a treat.
Yeah, we found the honeycomb in there. And so we called Lois that, and she's helping us
Chew like gum.
relocate them before our ground sprays them with pesticides.
Wow.
These
Yeah.
are fairly scarce.
Do you know approximately how many bees are in there?
No, not at all.
Probably around 10,000, 10,000. It's a small colony.
Hey guys, you don't want to get out of the road. The officer
Crazy.
already came to know better. Hey, how's it going?
Crowd over me.
Okay, I'm gonna go work on something.
Okay, have
Hey,
fun.
10-4.
I would rather do your job. Play with bees.
I know, man.
Oh, wow. That's fantastic.
I love the nature preserve. I can totally justify.
Oh no, that was a lot of bees.
Oh my goodness.
What happened?
She just scooped them out.
Get them up very well here.
It's alright, I can.
Get out of my hair. Get out of my hair. Super amount.
Oh wow, look at them. No problem.
Yeah, see you guys later. Hey, that's not bad, huh? A little thinner than I'd be used to, but man, that ain't bad at all.
Oh no, I just got stung in the fingertip. Fuck you, Reggie.
All right.
I was like, oh, it's that bad.
Okay, I think they're on their own for the rest of it.
That's about it, huh?
I think what I'm going to do is, I didn't think to bring any water.
Oh, I can get you anything
Can
you would
get me
like.
a bucket of water?
I sure can.